Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. So how to check the latest version of Windows 11 as soon as they are available. So you can just do the basic setting into your Windows settings and Windows updates, and you can actually get the latest updates as soon as they are available from Microsoft. So get into the start menu, head into the settings. Here in the settings we have on the left hand side Windows updates. So here as you can see we have the preview Windows update available, which is I'm gonna do it after this video. So let's do this. So we have get the latest updates as soon as they are available. So this is supposed to be on, and I always keep this option on. So whenever we have the latest update available from Microsoft, your computer will get it, and then you can decide you're gonna install it or not. So here we have advanced option. In the advanced option we have get me up to date, supposed to be on. Then we have notify me when a restart is required to finish your update, and that's it, and that's how you're gonna keep this option on. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.